Indira Sagar Dam under Indira Sagar project is an indigenous project having the largest water storage capacity in the country. Punasa lift irrigation project is part of this massive venture that is taking off from the upstream of ISP Dam on River Narmada. The project involves the lifting of water from 243 meters to 324 meters with a total static head of 81 meters in 3 stages. To achieve this, a 33 by 11 kV substation and power transmission lines including switchyards are being provided. It will provide irrigation facilities to 35,008 hectares covering 110 villages. IVRCL is proud to have backed this prestigious project. The project comprises of 3 stages. Stage 1. This is the ISP reservoir near village Chandel. Pumping station 1 adjacent to this reservoir pumps water from the ISP reservoir through the rising main 1 to balancing reservoir 1. The raising main 1 comprises an MS pipe with an outer diameter of 2,204 millimeters laid in a single row. It runs through a length of 1,525 meters and reaches a delivery level of plus 285 meters. Water from the rising main 1 is stored in balancing reservoir 1. This reservoir bund is 3.47 kilometers long with a storage capacity of 6.343 million cubic meters. 4 cumecs of water from this balancing reservoir 1 is carried through rising main 2 to the pumping station 2. Stage 2. From the balancing reservoir 1, water is let out with the help of a regulator to a gravity main line. This gravity main line is a single row of MS pipe of 8 mm thickness and 1,900 mm diameter. The length of this gravity main line is 7,500 meters. Water from the gravity main reaches pumping station 2. From pumping station 2, water is pumped through raising main 2 to balancing reservoir 2. Rising main 2 is a single row of MS pipe with 1,800 millimeters diameter and runs through a length of 4.5 kilometers. Water transported through the rising main 2 reaches a delivery level of plus 305 meters and is stored in balancing reservoir 2. The length of this reservoir bund is 2.927 kilometers and its storage capacity is 2.55 million cubic meters. Stage 3. In Stage 3, pumping station 3 pumps water from the balancing reservoir 2 through rising main 3 to balancing reservoir 3. Rising main 3 is laid with a single row of MS pipe of 1,400 millimeters diameter. The length of this line is 6,770 kilometers and reaches to a delivery level of plus 325 meters. Water from the rising main 3 reaches the balancing reservoir 3. The length of this reservoir bund is 2.638 kilometers and it has a capacity of 4 million cubic meters. All discharges from pumps and reservoirs are controlled and monitored through SCADA systems. For distribution network, 458.45 kilometers of MS, GRP and HDPE pipes are laid. The diameter of these pipes range from 1,500 millimeters to 203 meters. The project design has enabled irrigation of 36,322.78 hectares of land, substantially greater than the awarded 35,000 hectares. 12.89 million cubic meters of water storage capacity is created through BR1, BR2 and BR3. It is proud to be part of opening greener avenues for not just the people of Madhya Pradesh, but also nourishing the livelihood prospects of a growing economy.